Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube thumbnail after you uploaded a video, or this could be upgrading some of your older video thumbnails. And I'm going to be showing this on a PC. So once you are on the home page of your YouTube, you have to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Make sure you have to sign into your account. You want to change the thumbnail on, click on your profile picture and then tap on this YouTube Studio. Once you are on YouTube Studio, you have to come on this content in the left side. Then once you are content, just go to the video you would like to change the thumbnail of. So basically you have to hover over and you can see all these different little icons come up, and the one you want to click on, it says details. It looks like a pencil, so click on that. Now let's go ahead and scroll down, and you can see where I have one of my thumbnails and I want to change this. When you hover over this, you can see these three little dots where it says options. Just click on that, and now you can see these options. Click on this change. Once that happens, it's going to pop up a window where we want to go ahead and find the thumbnail you want to use. So I usually store all my thumbnails on these folders. So go to the folder wherever your thumbnail is and then select your thumbnail, and now just click this upload. And then the very last thing you want to do is, which is very important, just tap on this save button. Now once you hit save, you can go back to your channel content, and here as you can see, we have just upgraded our thumbnail. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.